Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Junay.
I'm Nairi.
For today's vlog ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction for the full performance ng isa sa mga delegates for Binibining Pilipinas 2024 from their preliminary competition. And this time, it's Ruela Solis from Kalumpit, Bulacan. And without any further ado, Mama,
Let's... Without any further kuda, let's go!
ay talaga naman. Napaka-sweet.
Bini 13.
Ganda.
Girl na girl, no?
This 26-year-old Bini
Hala,
is ready to
grabe ang
explore
emote.
the stage in this radiant masterpiece, mirroring the cascading trails of
Parang siyang sumasayaw. Yung,
She's ready to
Ang galing.
yung naglalakad siya na parang dance step.
embodying the
Yung may sa dulo, no?
of
The
a
pose.
sky filled with shimmering sparks.
Grabe. Maladyosa yung ganda niya. Sultry walk. May mga ganun, diba?
Maalat. Galing naman naman.
Ang galing niya. Iba yung walk niya. Yung walk niya yung parang ng sesadus. Malagkit na walk. Oh.
Bini 13, Kalumpit, Bulacan.
Or yung patawa.
Mas pinaputi siya na Catarina Rodriguez, pero yung ngiti niya, pag umiti siya, nakita ko si Catarina Rodriguez and yung ganda niya. And ang ganda nung gown, like simple lang, like hugging her body. And then i-emphasize talaga yung kanyang figure, and then may konting lang.
Parang siyang parang ang mahal-mahal niya. Parang siyang galing sa Hollywood Ball, mga ganun.
Bol-bol.
Ayan na, may
And
perlas.
Bini 13, Ruela Solis.
Ayun na naman yung music na,
And
alam mo
visually
yun?
captivating costume inspired by the cap.
Nakakairita kasi tatlong elements yung nandun yung dun sa traditional na instrument, tapos yung background nila, tapos VO. Like,
These products from Bulacan, where the delicate beauty of capis takes center stage alongside a modern twist, a portable bubble machine. The gown skirt is adorned with intricate panels of capis shells, meticulously arranged to create mesmerizing patterns that evoke the elegance of traditional Filipino craftsmanship. Each panel glows softly with pearlescent hues, capturing the enchanting allure of the queen's opulent attire. Designed by the esteemed
Dami yung
Filipino
bubbles.
designer Francis Tinelli.
Galing na.
Bini 13, Kalumpit, Bulacan.
Yeah.
like ang ganda nung kanyang costume, ang ganda nung story behind it. Pero ang hindi bumenta sa akin, siguro is yung way of paggawa niya ng VO or yung boses niya. Like, hindi siya impactful, or if ganun, opinion ko lang naman, diba, na like, kung ganun yung naririnig ko na VO, mawawalan ako na interest na intindihin kung ano yung sinasabi niya, kasi parang may pagkapabebe. Yun yung sabi ko, si Ruela is like, sa stage, parang nalalaman yung lakad niya, yung performance niya, pero pag nagsalita na siya, parang hindi siya. Like, pabebe, pero nalalaman yung niya, yung aura niya or yung dating niya sa stage.
Siguro kasi sanay tayo sa like yung talagang buong queen, even com skills, nanlalamon sa pagpasarela, nanlalamon, gawin nanlalamon. So siguro ito, kailangan niya pang kumbaga i-level up yung com skills niya para total package na siya. When it comes to the national costume naman, siguro maganda yung pag hindi gumagalaw. Pero sa akin lang ha, unnecessary yung balloons for me.
Balloons or bubbles?
Ay, bubbles. Balloons.
Unnecessary yung balloons.
Unnecessary yung bubbles for me kasi parang hindi niya na-elevate yung, kumbaga,
Yung quality nung costume.
yung costume, tsaka yung storytelling. Tsaka mas feeling ko hindi pa ano yung movement talaga kung paano siya i-present yung Pearl. Ganun. So parang may i-improve pa dun sa part na yun. For me
Ikaw
lang.
na nagsumali.
For me lang naman.
So yun guys, thank you so much at sinamahan niyo na kami sa nag-down vlog. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!